Hello friends and welcome back to our video on the topic of what was before the Big Bang and how it all started. The Big Bang is the widely accepted theory of how our universe came into existence, but what existed before that is still a mystery. In this video, we will explore some of the scientific theories and ideas that attempt to explain what happened before the Big Bang. Let's start by understanding what we mean by the Big Bang. According to this theory, the universe started as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, around 13.8 billion years ago. It then expanded rapidly, and the universe that we see today started to take shape. But what happened before the Big Bang? One theory is that there was nothing before the Big Bang. Time, space, and matter as we know it did not exist. This idea is known as the nothing before hypothesis, and it suggests that the universe came into existence from nothingness. However, this idea has been challenged by other theories that suggest that something existed before the Big Bang. One such theory is the cyclic universe hypothesis, which suggests that the universe goes through an infinite number of cycles of expansion and contraction. According to this theory, the universe expands for billions of years, and then contracts back into a singularity, which then explodes again, leading to another Big Bang. Another theory is the multiverse hypothesis, which suggests that our universe is just one of many universes that exist in a larger multiverse. According to this theory, the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything, but rather the beginning of our universe within the multiverse. There are other theories and ideas that attempt to explain what happened before the Big Bang, such as the idea of a cosmic egg or the concept of a universe that exists in a higher dimension. However, none of these theories have been proven or accepted as the definitive answer to the question of what existed before the Big Bang. Quantum fluctuations. Some physicists have suggested that the universe may have been created by a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing, eternal universe. In this scenario, the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything but rather a localized event that occurred within a larger, eternal universe. String theory. String theory is a theoretical framework in physics that attempts to unify all the fundamental forces and particles in the universe. According to string theory, our universe may be one of many possible universes that exist within a larger, higher dimensional space. In this scenario, the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything, but rather the beginning of our observable universe. Pre-Big Bang cosmology. Some physicists have proposed that the universe may have gone through a period of contraction before the Big Bang, which would suggest that there was a pre-existing universe that contracted and then expanded into our current universe. This idea is known as the ekpyrotic, or cyclic, model of the universe. The concept of time. Some scientists have suggested that the concept of time itself may have originated with the Big Bang, and that there was no before the Big Bang in the traditional sense. In this scenario, the Big Bang was not an event that occurred within a pre-existing timeline, but rather the beginning of time itself. In conclusion, the Big Bang theory explains how our universe started to exist, but what existed before the Big Bang is still a mystery. There are many theories and ideas that attempt to explain this, but none have been proven conclusively. As scientists continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we may one day discover what existed before the Big Bang, but for now, it remains one of the greatest mysteries of our universe. Thank you for watching.